Howard Hughes is a man who many people know. He is a famous American. He is rich. He is smart. He is a pilot. He is a businessman. He is a movie producer. Howard Hughes does many things. People say he is a genius. People say he can do anything. Little Howard Hughes is a young boy. He likes machines. He likes airplanes. He likes cars. He likes to build things. He likes to fly. Howard Hughes wants to do big things. He wants to be the best. He wants to be important. When Howard grows up, he becomes very successful. He builds airplanes. He breaks world records in flying. He makes movies. People watch his movies. People admire him. People respect him. Howard Hughes is proud. He is proud of his work. He is proud of his airplanes. He is proud of his movies. He is proud of himself. Howard Hughes is very careful. He wants everything to be perfect. He wants everything to be under his control. He checks every detail. He controls every step. People say, Howard Hughes is a genius, but he is very strict. Howard Hughes likes control. He thinks he knows best. He does not always listen to other people. One day, Howard Hughes goes to a doctor. The doctor wants to help him. The doctor gives advice. But Howard Hughes does not trust the doctor. He says, "No, I know better." Howard Hughes thinks his mind is the best. He does not listen. He is proud. Howard Hughes works very hard. He works long hours. He works day and night. He wants everything to be perfect. He wants everyone to see his success. People admire him. People are amazed by his work. But Howard Hughes feels nervous. He feels afraid. He feels he must control everything. Howard Hughes' pride grows. He thinks he is smarter than everyone. He thinks he does not need help. He thinks he can solve all problems. He thinks he is the best. Pride grows in his heart. Little by little, Howard Hughes changes. He becomes lonely. He does not trust people. He does not meet friends. He does not meet family. He does not meet business partners. He stays in his house. He stays in his room. He does not go outside. He does not talk to people. He is alone. Howard Hughes eats little food. He does not sleep well. He becomes sick. His body is weak. His mind is tired. He feels afraid. He feels nervous. He feels worried. But Howard Hughes does not listen to doctors. He does not listen to friends. He only listens to himself. His pride is too big. Howard Hughes makes decisions that are not good. He spends money in strange ways. He buys many things he does not need. He builds airplanes that no one uses. He makes movies that no one likes. His business loses money. People are confused. People are sad. Howard Hughes does not see the problems. He is too proud. One day, Howard Hughes sits alone. He looks at his airplanes. He looks at his movies. He looks at his money. He feels unhappy. He feels lonely. He feels afraid. He feels tired. Howard Hughes realizes something. He realizes that his pride makes him alone. His pride makes him sick. His pride makes him lose friends. His pride makes him lose trust. Howard Hughes thinks, maybe I should listen. Maybe I should trust people. Maybe I should not be so proud. But it is too late. Howard Hughes has been proud for many years. He has been proud for too long. People have left. People have stopped helping. Howard Hughes is alone. Howard Hughes lives many years alone. He becomes a recluse. People do not see him. People do not meet him. People talk about him in newspapers. People say, Howard Hughes is a great man, but he is very lonely. He is very proud. Pride has made him fall. Even though Howard Hughes is smart, even though Howard Hughes is talented, even though Howard Hughes is rich, pride is stronger. Pride controls him. Pride makes him weak. Pride makes him sad. Pride makes him alone. One day, Howard Hughes dies. People remember him. People remember his airplanes. People remember his movies. People remember his success. But people also remember his pride. People say, Howard Hughes is a lesson about pride. Little Tim, who reads this story, thinks for a moment. He thinks, I will work hard. I will be smart. I will try to be the best, but I will not be too proud. I will listen to others. I will trust friends. I will trust teachers. I will trust doctors. I will not let pride make me alone. Howard Hughes' life teaches an important lesson. Talent is good. Hard work is good. Success is good. But pride can destroy everything. Pride can make a person lonely. Pride can make a person weak. Pride can make a person unhappy. Howard Hughes' story is a warning. We can learn from him. We can learn from his mistakes. We can learn from his pride. We can learn to be careful. We can learn to listen. We can learn to trust. In life, it is good to be proud of your work. It is good to feel happy about your success. But do not let pride grow too much. Do not let pride control you. Do not let pride make you alone. Do not let pride make you unhappy. Howard Hughes had many friends. Howard Hughes had many helpers. Howard Hughes had many teachers. But he did not listen to them. He did not trust them. Pride kept him away from people. Pride kept him in his house. Pride kept him sad. Little Tim repeats to himself, I will not let pride control me. I will not let pride make me alone. I will listen to others. I will trust my friends. I will trust my teachers. I will not be too proud. Howard Hughes worked hard all his life. He built airplanes. He made movies. He changed the world. But he forgot one thing. He forgot that people are important. He forgot that friends are important. He forgot that trust is important. Pride is dangerous. Pride can make a person fall. Even a smart person can fall. Even a rich person can fall. Even a talented person can fall. Howard Hughes falls because of pride. We can avoid this fall. We can avoid being too proud. We can listen to advice. We can trust our friends. We can care for our family. We can stay healthy. We can stay happy. Howard Hughes' story is long. It is full of success. It is full of talent. It is full of fame. But it is also full of sadness. Howard Hughes is remembered not only for his genius. Howard Hughes is remembered for his pride. Little Tim smiles and thinks, I can work hard. I can be smart. I can be talented. I can succeed. But I will not let pride take control. I will be happy. I will be kind. I will be careful. I will listen. I will trust people. I will not be alone like Howard Hughes. Howard Hughes shows us that life is more than money. Life is more than fame. Life is more than talent. Life is about people. Life is about friends. Life is about family. Life is about trust. Life is about kindness. Pride goes before a fall. This is the moral of Howard Hughes' story. Do not let pride grow too much. Do not let pride make you alone. Do not let pride make you unhappy. Listen to others. Trust people. Care for friends. Care for family. Stay kind. Stay happy. Howard Hughes worked, built, and flew. He achieved many things. But he forgot the most important thing. He forgot to stay humble. He forgot to stay connected. He forgot to stay kind. And that is why his story is a lesson for all of us. Moral: pride goes before a fall. Be proud, but stay humble. Listen to others. Trust friends. Care for people. Do not let pride make you alone.